Hi, I'm Manish. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this Barrel Redi Cube. It is very interesting and simple uh, cube. It has mainly four different colors: red, blue, yellow, and green. And in each color there are mainly five pieces. So this, if you can look at, this is an eye shape piece. So this is an eye, and this one is arrow, this one is also arrow. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pieces in each color. So first let's scramble it. So now it is scrambled properly. So first we will start with yellow. So this is an eye, so we'll have to find upper and lower pieces, and we'll have to fix first an eye. So let's start with this. We have two pieces of yellow over here, one is here and one is here. So let's start with this. It is very intuitive, so there is no algorithm to fix it. So now you can see uh, the eye is fixed with upper and lower pieces. Now we have to fix one yellow arrow over here and one over here. So we have two arrow, one is here. So I think it fixes well with this piece. So this is the right piece. Now we have to fix this piece. So what we can do is we'll have to bring this piece over here. So from here we'll bring it to here, and then we'll fix from here. So now you can see our one side or yellow pieces are fixed. Now next is blue. So let's first fix an eye with this. The eye is here. We'll have to disturb this, but don't worry, we can fix it later. So this is fixed. So now we can see our eye is fixed. Now we have to fix this yellow piece over here. So we'll bring this to right, and now we'll bring it up. So, and now bring it down. So this piece is fixed. Now we have to fix blue piece. Blue piece is here. So we'll bring it here and fix it. So now we can see our yellow side and blue side is fixed. Now red. So now you can see we have to rotate this piece. So for that, what we can do is, first we can rotate this. So this is into correct position. Now we have to bring this eye over here. So what we can do is, we can bring this up and we'll take this out and we'll fix it over here. And now we can see our eye is fixed. Now we have to fix red piece over here and one red piece is over here. So now we can see this red piece is fixed. Now we have to fix this red piece. So if you look at, so we'll have to first take this out, bring this here, and now we can fix it. Now again we can bring it back. So now you can see our red side is also fixed. So yellow, blue and red. Now last side is somewhat tricky. So now you can see it should be, the green piece should be here, this red piece should be here, and this green piece should be here. So this green piece should be here, this should be here, and this should be here. So what we can do is, we'll bring this down, this piece should be here. So if you visualize, we have to bring this piece over here. So what we are doing is, we'll bring this down and take it to this and bring this up. Now we will have to bring this red piece over here. So this, and again this. So now we can see our cube is solved. Thank you.